Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, we'll explain the process of adding a video to your Shopify product page. Adding videos to your product pages can help showcase your products better, offering a more interactive experience for your customers. Let's get started. To add a video to a product page, first log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once logged in, click on Products in the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of all your products. Select the product you want to add a video to by clicking on its name. After opening the product, you'll be in the Product Details page. Scroll down to the Description section, where you can add a detailed description of the product. Here is where you'll embed your video. To add the video, go to the Description text box and place your cursor where you want the video to appear. You can now embed the video using HTML if you're using YouTube or Vimeo. Go to the video platform, find the video you want to add, and click on the Share button under the video. On YouTube, click the Embed option and a code will appear. Copy this code. Go back to your Shopify product description text box and switch to the HTML view by clicking on the button. Paste the embed code in the text box where you want the video to appear. After pasting the code, click Save to confirm your changes. If you want to add a video from a different source, you'll need to ensure that the video is hosted somewhere, such as YouTube or Vimeo, since Shopify does not support direct video uploads to product pages. Once you've added the embed code, check the product page to see if the video is displayed correctly. Another option is to use Shopify apps like Easy Video or Product Video by Omega to make the process even simpler. These apps allow you to upload videos directly to your product pages without needing to deal with code. Once your video is added, it's a good idea to preview your product page to ensure everything looks and functions correctly. Videos can significantly enhance your product presentation, helping customers make more informed purchase decisions. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.